What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in a random person's backyard. Never mind that though. Today's a serious video. I want to go through a serious topic for all you lifters out there. Which is the best protein in the market? What should you take? I already have a tub in my hand, but we'll talk about that in a second. What is the best protein in the market? There are so many proteins right now that you're probably overwhelmed and you have no fucking clue on which protein to take. There's a blend protein, there's casein, there's concentrate, there's isolate, and there's shit companies, there's good companies. So what should you take? And that's what today's video is about. As some of you may already know, that I own a supplement company, so I'm gonna plug my products in very soon in this video. So if that's gonna piss you off, then make sure to keep watching.
Dabbing on them haters.
ISOHEALTH. This is what today's video is about, guys. ISOHEALTH protein. This is the best protein in the market. It's a New Zealand isolate whey protein, straight from New Zealand cows, in the finest form for you guys to feed your gains. And that's what I'm gonna recommend. I'm gonna place this right over here in another person's backyard. Hopefully they don't care or see it, but that way I can hold this properly. That was an ant. Why is I can't wear that? Shit. Guess I have to take off my shirt. Alright, first things first. This is the best protein in the market. ISOHEALTH New Zealand Whey protein. Like I already said, it's a 94% pure protein powder to feed your gains, guys. If you're looking to get jacked, then cut out all the BS of taking blends and casein and all the cheap protein in the market. Pay a little extra money and get yourself a New Zealand isolate protein. That's what you need to feed your gains and get shredded. And let's start the plug. Synthesized in the finest form of whey protein to feed your gains. 94% pure protein powder, 27 grams of protein per scoop with over 10 grams of amino acids added to it to speed up your recovery, to help with your protein synthesis, to help with your endurance, and get you less sore so you can feed your gains. That's my girlfriend right there. She's laughing. It smells like these chocolates are picked straight off a fresh tree. You are gonna love the flavor, guys. Every flavor is fucking amazing. There is absolutely no sugars added to it as well. It's sweetened with stevia, which is a natural sweetener, so you don't have to worry about pounding down sugars or artificial sweeteners. It's completely natural product. You don't have to worry about anything except feeding your gains. So if you're looking to build some gains and you need a recommendation of a good protein powder, then this is it. Go check out the link in the description below. Get yourself an ISOHEALTH. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love this product. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna end off the video with this now. To answer your question, the best protein in the market right now is a New Zealand isolate protein. That is the only thing that you should be focused on. Never mind all the garbage out there. There's too much to scout through anyway. Get yourself a naturally sweetened protein, an isolate protein, a New Zealand isolate protein that looks this sexy.